Going to review Domain Ninja. Domain Ninja is a basically platform which help you to find out the expired domain and which domain rank on Google easily because they have a good authority in eyes of the Google, and you will get free traffic as soon as you publish your website. You will start getting traffic. So this website claim the brand new AI lets you ethically start hijacking free traffic from YouTube, Wiki, Quora, Reddit, and more by finding best expiring domain with 1 lakh backlinks. So basically, this platform help you to find out the best domain, any of the niche you want. Just go log in into their dashboard in Domain Ninja and type your keyword, niche keyword. For example, if you are looking for the weight loss, type weight loss. The platform will suggest you list of this domain, expired domain, which have a good authority and good backlinks and good traffic base, good traffic base. This domain suggests you to the list of this domain. You can just go and purchase those domain and start publishing your content on those website. You will get rank easily basis as soon as possible. So find expired domain with the 1 lakh strong backlinks. There is some features. Start siphonning free traffic from big sites like Google, YouTube, Quora, Wiki by finding expired domain receiving visitor. Brand new for 8th March, 8th math. Work in any niche. Imagine simply other keyword like and find killer domain. And those domain having a good authority so that they rank easily as soon as you publishing content, or you can simply clone their website as old website and start making your own website. So simple, there is simple 3 step. Log in the dashboard, log in into this Domain Ninja panel, enter your keyword and publish and profit. Just publish your content and start making profit. So that's this one of the good platform for the blogger, small business owner, freelancer, so that they can find cut out their research work, and they can easily find their domain on from this platform. So they are giving some example: find domain, create or clone website, rank on first page of the Google, because they have a good authority and good traffic in the eyes of the Google. There are some screenshot they added like this. So that is the one of the good platform which help you to rank on Google on less time with the help of expired domain. So that's my review for the Domain Ninja, and they're offering this 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't satisfied with this their domain or their suggestion, you can ask for the refund. They will refund you as soon as possible. So that's my review for this Domain Ninja. If you want to purchase, go to the description, check out my affiliate link and purchase from